The quirky charms of ducks, a fascinating glimpse into nature's feathered wonders. Ducks, those delightful denizens of ponds, lakes, and rivers, often paint a picturesque scene in our minds. With their distinctive quacks, waddling walks, and elegant flights, they hold a unique place in the world of birds. From the regal mallard to the playful wood duck, these creatures charm and captivate us with their colorful plumage and intriguing behaviors. Let's embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of ducks. First and foremost, the sheer diversity among duck species is astounding. There are over 120 different species of ducks, each with its own unique characteristics and habits. Some, like the mallard, are widespread and familiar, found on almost every continent except Antarctica. Others, such as the mandarin duck of East Asia, dazzle with their vibrant, iridescent plumage, making them a symbol of love and fidelity in many cultures. One cannot discuss ducks without mentioning their remarkable adaptations for aquatic life. Their webbed feet, perfectly designed for paddling through water, serve as both propellers and rudders, allowing them to maneuver with ease. These aquatic acrobats can dive beneath the surface, their bodies streamlined for swift underwater pursuits as they forage for aquatic plants, insects, and small fish. Furthermore, the varied and beautiful plumage of ducks is a spectacle to behold. Males, known as drakes, often don elaborate colors during the breeding season to attract mates. The resplendent iridescence of the northern shoveler's green head, the bold patterns of the hooded merganser, or the striking contrast of the harlequin duck's plumage are just a few examples of the avian artistry found in the world of ducks. Interestingly, ducks are not only masters of the water but also the air. Witnessing a flock of ducks take flight is a sight to behold. With a flurry of wings and synchronized movements, they soar through the sky in V-shaped formations, an efficient strategy for long-distance travel. Migration is a remarkable feat for many duck species, with some traveling thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. Yet, it's not just their physical attributes that make ducks intriguing, their behaviors are equally captivating. Consider the courtship displays of the blue-winged teal, where males engage in elaborate dances to impress potential mates. Or the communal nesting habits of eiders, where females gather in groups called creches to protect and rear their young together, showcasing the strength of community among these waterfowl. Moreover, ducks have permeated human culture and folklore for centuries. From Aesop's fables to the beloved tale of The Ugly Duckling by Hans Christian Andersen, these birds often serve as symbols of transformation, resilience, and beauty in unexpected places. In many traditions, ducks are associated with good fortune, prosperity, and fidelity, making them popular motifs in art, literature, and celebrations. On a more practical note, ducks also play a vital role in the ecosystems they inhabit. As omnivores, they help control insect populations, weed out unwanted vegetation, and even disperse seeds, contributing to the health and balance of wetland habitats. Their presence is an indicator of the overall health of these fragile ecosystems, making their conservation crucial for biodiversity. Ducks are much more than charming waterfowl. They are a testament to the wonders of nature's creativity and adaptability. From their striking beauty to their quirky behaviors, these feathered creatures never fail to fascinate and enchant us. So, the next time you spot a duck gliding gracefully across a pond or hear their cheerful quacks echoing through the reeds, take a moment to appreciate the marvelous world of these delightful avian companions. In the grand tapestry of the natural world, ducks hold a special place, a reminder of the magic and wonder that surrounds us, waiting to be discovered with each ripple of water and each beat of their wings.